In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your Zendesk triggers in 2024 to enhance your customer success resources effectively. Whether you're an experienced Zendesk user or just getting started, properly organizing your triggers can significantly streamline your workflow and improve the customer support experience. To begin, you'll need to access your Zendesk account. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're in, navigate to the Admin Center. This is where all the backend magic happens and is your hub for setting up critical configurations. Think of it as the command center for ensuring smooth operations. After you've entered the Admin Center, what you want to look for next is the Objects and Rules section. This section is instrumental because it's where you manage the various automated functions that help dictate how tickets are handled and processed. It's essentially your toolkit for tailoring your support processes to meet specific organizational needs. Clicking on Objects and Rules will bring you to a variety of options, but today we'll be honing in on triggers. Triggers are automated rules that run actions based on the way you define them. They're pivotal in automating responses and categorizing tickets, among other tasks. Once you're within the Triggers section, it's time to start setting them up. You'll find options to create triggers based on your unique needs. For each trigger, you'll need to define several elements. The trigger name, which should be descriptive enough to identify the purpose at a glance. A brief description for clarity if others access this setup. The trigger category, which helps in grouping similar triggers together for better organization and management. The essence of each trigger lies in its conditions and actions. Conditions allow you to specify criteria that must be met for the trigger to initiate. These could be based on ticket status, requester's email domain, or virtually any attribute or field captured within Zendesk. Following conditions, actions are what the trigger will execute once the specified conditions are met. This could include sending an email notification, updating a ticket field, or escalating a priority level. The key is to align these actions with your desired outcomes for efficient and responsive customer interaction. Once you have your triggers thought through and configured, finalize by clicking Create Trigger. This step saves your configuration and activates the trigger within your Zendesk workflow system. Organizing triggers effectively can save your team countless hours and ensure that your customers receive consistent, timely, and appropriate responses. This means fewer tickets falling through the cracks and a more streamlined operation for your organization. Remember, regularly review and refine your triggers as your business processes and customer needs evolve. Thanks for tuning in and happy organizing.